Hello guys.
Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego road roller. But before we start, I meant road roller. It's a bit of a tongue twister. Or a road flattener. You can, depends on the two, you can call it whichever one you want. But before we start, I have to tell you something. On our channel, we don't just do Lego building videos. We do Connect building videos, Beyblade videos. We also have another channel called Positube Gaming. We do gaming videos such as Minecraft, Copper Nova, Roblox, Balloon CD Battles, FIFA Mobile, and lots more you enjoy. So, let's start.
Yes.
Okay, so first things first, we're going to get this here. We're going to get this cheese slope. We're going to place it there. Straighten it real quick. Then we're going to place this. And then we're going to place it there. I'm going to get another one. I'm going to place it there. Then we're going to get a flat black tile and we're going to place it there. And then next, I'm going to get this, that there, get this, place that there on like so, get a yellow stud, place it here, then place a black stud like so, like that, and make another one and place it on the other side. Let me just straighten that, like so. And then for the road rolling part, now I get this here, that there like so, that there, that, I'm going to place it there like so. Then we're going to place it like that. And here we have our road roller. So I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to see more videos. Bye guys.
Bye.